In 2013, the term unicorn was personified within the startup ecosystem to indicate the rarity of startups that exceeds the valuation of $1 billion. Today, the growth of unicorns in India are no longer rare. In fact, the mere title that India has achieved of third largest startup ecosystem in the world is itself a tale to tell. Concerted efforts have been put to pave this path, and today we are going to discuss one of the recent initiatives of the government to make India a world-class startup destination. Supporting entrepreneurs in transformation and upskilling, SETU, a program launched by Union Minister Piyush Goyal in a bid to connect Indian startups with US-based investors. SETU will act as a bridge between Indian and American companies by way of providing mentorship, assistance, funding, market access, and more to Indian startups. With much being said about the program, let us decode SETU, who are applicable to apply, funding details, and how will it shape the Indian startup ecosystem. In recent times, India has been looked upon as a flourishing ground to explore entrepreneurship, thanks to the initiative Startup India by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, the remarkable step taken in the form of SETU is not merely to bridge the gaps, but to break the geographical barriers. The focus is on encouraging domestic incorporation and mentorship of early-stage Indian startups by successful diaspora members in the Bay Area. The mentorship and interaction will be supported through a portal under the Startup India initiative named MARK, or the Mentorship, Advisory, Assistance, Resilience and Growth Program, which is a single-stop solution finder for startups in India. The idea behind developing the MARK portal is to make things feasible in connecting from every corner of the country with a mentor. The core functions include improving ease of access, use artificial intelligence for matchmaking, scheduling meetings virtually, host masterclasses, providing a custom dashboard for relevant information, analytics, features, etc., hosting cohort-based programs that will allow startup ecosystem enablers to become a part of the program, and enable outcome-driven activities. The best part is that anyone can apply. Any budding entrepreneur or Indian startup willing to expand their business are free to take the guidance. With more than 75,000 DPIIT recognized startups across 653 districts, India recognized startups solving problems in 56 diverse industrial areas. On the other hand, India became home to 107 unicorns with a total valuation of $340.79. These numbers map the growth journey of the Indian startup ecosystem that has a direct impact on the country's economy. Another important thing here to note is that India is also witnessing a higher CAGR, that is compound annual growth rate, in venture capital inflow compared to China. Investments in Indian startups grew at a 49% CAGR 2014-2021, while China recorded a 12% CAGR in that period. The synergy will continue, making India the second largest startup ecosystem by 2025. While launching the initiative, Union Minister Piyush Goyal said that India's market has huge potential and that the initiative will encourage investments in India and also provide a competitive place to do business. The initiative will introduce massive changes to strengthen innovation and entrepreneurship because well above 90% of the startups and more than half of well-funded startups fail in their early days. The reason is lack of experience, lack of guidance for taking a decision, and ultimately moral support. SETU would play a significant role in the realization of the Iron Pillars report's prediction that India will have over 250 unicorns by 2025. Well, that is all for today's segment. Thank you for watching.